depends upon your videos, depends upon your viewership. Okay, so they won't get any cancelled and all. Once your channel get monetized, every month you'll be getting revenue. Okay, so this is the main thing you should follow in the YouTube. And you're all the journalists. I don't want to tell about the content and all. And you know that which content should be used and which needed for which people. So content is your selection. And I'll go for Facebook. How many people turn on professional mode on your Facebook? And how many people know about the professional mode in Facebook? No? Okay. So I'll explain what Facebook had before. See, we had a profile in our Facebook. That means we had 5,000 friends, and more than 5,000 friends, they consider it as a followers, right? Okay. That is called as Facebook profile. Okay. The another one is Facebook professional page. That is, in a simple term, like page. So people likes your page, they'll tap a like button. So that page will, what is it here? Yeah, that page will have much likes and much followers, and most of the celebrities, most of the brand will have a professional page. What is the difference between profile and professional page? The difference between profile and professional page, you can run advertisement in your professional page, and you can't run advertisement in your profile which you having 5,000 friends. Okay, this is the major difference. And now Facebook has introduced new mode. It is called professional mode, so that you can change your that 5,000 friends profile as a professional mode page. And everyone open your Facebook profile. We can change it now. No, it's not a big one. It's a new feature introduced by Facebook, which is for monetization and revenue. And I got revenue from my profile from last month onwards. I'll tell you for you also. So all open your Facebook page. Your Facebook page. You have a Facebook account? No, then leave it. Then you go. Once you're free, you just open the Facebook account. Then actually I posted the videos about in my social media platform also. And I'll send you a voice note also. Did you open your Facebook page? Yeah. So go to your home page. Go to your home page. Go to your home profile page. Okay. So you'll be having 3 dots on the right side. Click that. And see last line is turn on professional mode. Got it? If you don't get, you please update your Facebook through Play Store or iOS, or wait for some time. I'll explain why you are not getting. Those who got a turn on professional mode, kindly turn on the professional mode. Yeah, turn on. Okay, so they'll be asking.
Add your bio.
Edit profile
It's coming. Actually, if you turn on the professional mode, it will be asking cover pic and your profile photo and your school level details. You would just make it skip. Once you're free, you can update all the things. Just you're on the professional mode, that's it. I'll tell you the advantages of professional mode. Okay? The simple thing, you just go to their profile and and right side you will be having 3 dots. Click the 3 dots and you will get turn on professional mode, turn on that, and you have some notification. Now don't do that, just listen. So what is the advantage of professional mode? See, once you turn on the professional mode, your friends and followers will convert as a followers. Okay? So if you have 4,000 friends and the friends converted as 4,000 followers and your request also converted as a followers. If you have 4,000 friends and you have 500 requests, totally you will get 4,500 followers. This is the one thing. And second thing, you will be getting professional dashboard in your professional mode. Why professional dashboard is coming? By using professional dashboard, you can know about the insights of your Facebook, like how many followers you have, which content is performing well, how many followers and the percentage of followers from the countries. So you will get every analytical report, like what you are getting in YouTube, you can get it from professional dashboard from the Facebook. So if you are not getting the professional mode options, you go to Play Store, update your Facebook app, then you will get within that.
Actually, just now I had done it, but even though it's not showing, the option is not there.
No.
I was trying for a long time. It was not showing.
Yeah, I'm coming to that. See, if you having the professional mode and if you click the professional mode, it's not working, you have some issues in your profile. Maybe your content or your page was blocked by Facebook before some months, or some community standards you have did against the Facebook, so that you can't on the professional mode. You just wait for a week, again you turn on the professional.
The link itself is not there. The list is not there.
Yeah, then update your Facebook.
Yeah, I done that.
You update
I
it,
done it several times. It has not come.
so that Facebook has identified some more complications in your Facebook that you. Is it? Yeah. See, more than 3 to 4 or 5 times your page or your comment section has blocked by Facebook. Suddenly you can't get the professional mode on. So wait for some time. After 15 days, again you turn on the professional mode. And another advantage of the professional mode is you can earn money through the professional mode. How? If you converted your profile into professional mode, you will be getting the Reels option. Already you will be having the Reels option, but you will be getting the professional mode Reels option. You do more Reels on your professional mode with your own voice, not with the music, with own voice. Because if you do Reels with your own voice, then Facebook will pay for you. If you reach certain audiences, that Facebook will calculate. If you reach certain audiences, then you will get revenue from the Facebook. And I got revenue, and I'm getting revenue from the Facebook from last month. So I got $30. Okay, $30 per month, because I started posting reels on Facebook for past 2 months only. So you can get revenue from the Facebook. So do post reels on professional mode regularly.
What kind of voice you post? What do you mean by? I mean, I do on my own voice. What I'm asking you is
Own voice. Yeah, it what to say?
authentication.
Yeah, right.
Let her have some tea or something.
They must have come
She's
with
training her voice a lot.
Actually, I
Take
got
some
told.
rest, yeah, for some time.
No, I'll finish it off. Actually, I have lots of content.
Reels means what and how we have to do it.
Yeah.
And what sort of content?
what sort of content.
That's our wish.
Yeah.
Facebook,
No. Shall I read something or shall I?
anything with your own voice. With your own voice, in the sense, Facebook will treat that's your own content. Nobody will get copyright, or nobody will use our content. Okay? Yeah, got it? See how I do reels. I'll tell you.
Yeah.
So I'll make chicken curry and I'll take all the videos, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. So I'll add all the videos, and in Reel there is one option, add voiceover. You just click the voiceover, so it will be playing. So I can tell இன்னைக்கு எங்கள் வீட்டில் சிக்கன் குழம்பு, இன்னைக்கு காலையில் நான் வெங்காயம் போட்டேன், தக்காளி போட்டேன். So I'll explain the methods of the chicken curry in my own voice. Yes. So I'll make it my contents in a very short way. So I do on food, on fashions, on food review and cinema review and travel and everything. Depends upon.
Can you just tell me how to put on
screen
क्या बोल रहे हैं टीवी के बारे में उसका मुझे जानकारी नहीं है टीवी के बारे में हमको नहीं
He doesn't know. He's a
Ma'am,
video person.
what is your work on TV?
Actually, I have to connect my laptop with the TV. So they told that they'll get some HDMI cables from some other places and they'll come back.
Okay, I am making arrangement. I am making arrangement. Just